In my last video, I forgot to show how YAML file look like. So I create this. I copied this from the website and then save as the YAML file and then mine the project file. So so when we create the cluster, just run the and create cluster. Then uh, uh, these three nodes will be created. So, in this video, I would like to create a Docker file. Create the Docker file from the base image. During my creation of a Docker file, it took me a few hours to figure it out because I keep having the error like that. The fail to read Docker file or no such file directory. So I searched from internet and there are many solutions. I try one by one, but it doesn't work. So I found another solution that is I should the file, the extension cannot be do not have should not have the extension. So when I create it, I just use the notepad because when I see the instruction, the instructor used the Visual Studio Code, but I do not want to rely on so much of the tools. But I think only the line and the code is only 2 lines, so I thought I'd be able to create using just normal text editor. But I got a lot of errors. Then I figured it out that I should remove the extension, so I just renamed my DST file without having any extension. So the file type should be as a file type. So this is how the Docker sample Docker file look like. It's only have two command. This from line and then copy. So after that, I was able to successfully run this and build the Docker. So yeah, and then I can proceed to try the Docker push to Docker Hub. And first of all, I need to log into the Docker first, and then I should create the repository first, and then I need to remember this tag, and then I use the command push, and then it will be able to push to the Docker Hub. And the Docker Hub, yes. After trying there a few attempts, as you can see, it was failed for a few times because of the Docker file is not correct. Then after I correct the Docker file, I was able to build. I can see my Docker file is built. In my previous slides, I was showing how to create the Docker image. Today, I would like to repeat again. I was downloaded the free CSS website and put inside the folder called test. And then after that, I need to create the Docker file and put inside the root folder to be able to build the Docker image. So after I built, it was successfully created the Docker image. As you can see in the Docker file that I show in my previous slides, the first command line is to refer the base image, and the second one is copy all the files from my current folder to the default folder. So it was successfully built, and then today I proceed to run this Docker by giving the port name 8000. you will be, after running this command, you will be able to see the port number is like this. So after this, after I run this, if I call from the localhost and give the port number, this is the result of the website that I downloaded, and it's successfully ran on the web server. In my previous video, I have run the Docker build and Docker run. And this video, I would like to show how to use the Docker Compose app. So first of all, I have downloaded from the Git one voting application, and then uh, im- uh, implemented this app using the Docker Compose app. Okay. And in order to run the Docker Compose app, you should navigate to the folder that you downloaded. For my case, it is under it is under data and then test. So you have to change the directory to that folder and then run the Docker Compose app, and then it will be working like this. Then you'll be able to see the app is uploaded to the Docker desktop, and the app, this sample app is trying to create front end page like this, and then the back end page like this. So after I run the Docker Compose app, the port is exposed to 8080 and 8081, and then I will be able to see these two website up and running. This is just to show after I run the Docker Compose app, you will be able to see the app on the Docker desktop, and this is the result of the page.